There was a time when IT was all the craze. Now, one word drives the sector: artificial intelligence. One announcement in this space can make or break the tech sector. India's IT services sector has expanded with one big idea: provide more services at cheaper cost. But looks like the picture is not very rosy for this sector. The reason? Artificial intelligence. Tech stocks tumbled across the world massively on 4th of February. In India too, the Nifty IT index fell up to 8% yesterday. IT stocks like Infosys, Wipro, TCS all tumbled. Today the index was down slightly too, but the worst was over for now as massive selling had already happened yesterday. The investors though are still cautious as some of the smaller IT names are still seeing a decline. Analysts call this fall a SaaSpocalypse. A big word, but what does it mean and what's behind this? Analysts say it's Anthropic's new AI tool, 11 new plugins for its Claude Cowork agent, an agentic no-code AI assistant designed for enterprise users. Now, these are aimed at automating tasks across legal, sales, marketing, and data analysis functions. Basically, these tools can write, test, and debug codes, crunch data, and run compliance checks and perform complex tasks with lesser human intervention. After the launch on February 3rd, tech stocks on Wall Street went tumbling, and now it is all over social media. People have uploaded videos on how the work is now becoming very easier for them with these new tools. On the launch day, a Goldman Sachs basket of US stocks sank 6%. The Nasdaq 100 index fell as much as 2.4%, and the story continued on February 4th as well. But why did software companies in India see a decline? Traders and analysts say that the new tools can automate tasks and create an AI-fueled disruption in the data and professional services industry. And Jeffrey says that the sentiment is now shifting from AI helping these companies to AI replacing these companies. The reaction in India was because of the concern that AI could create competition for software and IT services firms in India, which can cause huge losses and erode market positions. Analysts say that if many of the functions can be automated, then the IT services built around delivering these functions will face existential crisis. Already, tech layoffs have been on the news for a long time now because the work that humans did there is being automated. For these firms, the solution now is to survive and adapt for the future. But as investors, what should you do now with IT stocks? Well, the sentiment has already eased today after a massive sell-off yesterday. Brokerage firm Nirmal Bang, in a fresh note, said that the sell-off on February 4th was an overreaction, but also a wake-up call for Indian IT firms. There were mixed views coming in from experts. ET Now panelist Kunal Bhutra on 4th of February said that investors should stay cautious and avoid fresh buying in IT for now. He said that IT stocks may start looking attractive after a 5 to 6% downtick, but the suggestion is to not buy now at current levels as many counters are trading around key long-term moving averages. But before you make any financial decision, do speak to your financial advisor because these are the views of experts who we spoke to. It is best if you talk to someone who knows your financial position and also understands your risk profile better. And for more such news and views, you know where to go. Keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.